Our channel is starting a new series where we put photography and movie making rules, theories, and ideas to the test. We want to find out whether these rules and theories and ideas are really true. Let us do the dirty work so that you don't need to. And we're calling this exciting series, Let's Find Out.
Action!
Today's Let's Find Out is about your built-in flash. You know, the built-in flash always make photos look like shit. So we're gonna find out all the various diffusers that we can put on it to make them look nice. Let's find out which one gives the best diffusion with the best photo of our model for this episode, Shu Ting. We're going to start our Let's Find Out with two baseline shots. The first one at ISO 1600 with a 50mm prime lens at f2, natural lighting without using any flash. Exposure meter on average, focus on the eye, and the second baseline shot with the built-in flash popped up, same f number. Have to bring the ISO down to 800 though. Automatic white balance, and this flash shooting will be on TTL, and we're going to meter to 0 as well with average metering. Look at the highlight on the forehead and that helmet strap shadow. Not good. The first diffuser, a very popular diffuser that you can find anywhere online store. You can adjust this so that it appears exactly in the middle, and you notice that it's curved. That is to increase surface area and the dimple too. So the bigger the surface area, the softer the light. f2, ISO 500, and meter to 0. Wow, not too bad. The second diffuser, the popular internet hack. This is a paper cup or foam cup. Let's put this on top. Third diffuser, just your normal printing paper. So your win is nice enough to hack me this fugly looking diffuser. And he made it quite high with the concept that the bigger the light or the taller the light, the softer the light. So just make sure that you don't shoot this in a windy place. Another popular hack on the internet to make your pop-up flash diffuse, an ordinary plastic bag. I know, you look shocked, right? Yeah, the ugly things we do to find out. And we thought that we would take the same plastic bag and wrap it up and make it less ugly and stick some sticky tapes down here and fold it over and stick another one here. Let's find out if this is gonna be nicer. Same settings, nothing changed. Same plastic bag. But look at the result now. You know, in Asia, when you buy yourself name cards and get them printed, they come in plastic boxes like this. Let's find out. Finally, the ever popular napkin over your built-in flash. Again, this works on the principle that the bigger the light, I kind of realized that it's now the uglier the light, the nicer the flash, right? Let's find out. Let's start with the worst looking lighting in the series of photos. The paper cup cuts down so much of light, you notice that the whole picture looks kind of yellowish. That's what happens when you don't have enough of light. So it's really worse looking than natural lighting. Ranking number 8, the name card case. There's too much of highlight on her forehead and also her cheeks, and look at the reflection that's coming off her teeth, and that helmet strap shadow, too strong. So this is not diffused enough. Surprisingly, bare flash ranks number 7. Well, to be honest, the name card case and the bare flash shot looks kind of similar, so it's a little bit hard to judge, so why bother? Well, the plastic bag, the name card case, the bare flash, they all look kinda similar, so don't waste your time. Ranking number 5, the white paper. Quite a beautiful result. See how warm it is, but then it still looks like skin tone and leaves a little bit of evidence of flesh under the chin with the helmet strap shadow. No more specular highlight on her face. Number 4, surprisingly, natural lighting. Guess we learned that we don't always need to add a flash. This is shot with an ISO of 1600. So no evidence of that much noise. She looks great, except that there's no separation between her chin and her neck. Not enough of shadow there. So she might risk your subject looking a little bit like Jabba the Hutt. Number 3, the pop-up flash diffuser. Well, it seems that when you spend money, you get its worth. Not much highlight, a little bit of helmet strap shadow, still a little bit of reflection or specular highlight on her teeth. Number 2, the folded plastic bag surprises me. Look at the result here. Ranking number 1, no specular highlight, very feathered helmet strap shadow, very minimal specular highlight on her teeth, the Napkin diffuser. So what we learned from this, let's find out, is that you just need to bring along a napkin for a shoot. Hey, do you have things for us to find out? If you do, write to us please. This is our email address. And don't forget
to subscribe.
And head on also to our website, check out our e-learning titles, support us so that we have more means to buy new cars, house. I'm kidding, help us.